Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up autoresponder in IONOS Webmail. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS dashboard. Come at the top, click on menu, and then click on email. Now here you'll see all the domains you have available for your emails, and select the one that you want to go ahead and set up autoresponder for. You'll see your email addresses. Click on these three dots next to it, and then I want you to click right here on settings. Okay. Now, what I need you to do is scroll down until you see this option, autoresponder. As you can see, this one is disabled by default. So I want you to click on this, and I want you to first toggle this on. Okay. And once you toggle on autoresponder, we can add a subject, from, and a message. So let me go and type one in. This is one of the examples. Let's say email received, that's the subject, from John Doe, and you'll have a message. For example, your email has been well received. Kindly allow 24 to 48 hours for a response. Or you could set up an out of the office response as well. So here is another example. Okay. And once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and save this, as you can see, and then you'll see right here your autoresponder settings have been updated. Just give it a few moments to make sure it gets active. As you can see here, it is enabled. All right, so I sent myself a test mail, and as you can see, we have received the auto response, as you can see right here, and that is how to set up autoresponder in IONOS Webmail.